Hi people, it's me Lorelai today.
And me Lillian today.
And today we're making slime.
Lots of slime.
Today we're going to make the yellow one.
We already made these.
As you can see, we have blue and the black and the green and the red. And
Daughters?
yeah.
Is your light on your room?
I don't know, is it?
They're making a video. You're going to disrupt their video.
And so we're going to create that. You're going to need laundry detergent, a bowl, food coloring if wanted, and then Elmer's glue.
So yes, I am.
First, just pull like about this size. You don't need it too big. Yeah, and the mixing stick, chopstick.
So I feel about every moment I spend with you.
Just about this much glue.
Or as much as you want if you want to make it bigger, add more instead.
Or smaller.
And then, oh wait, first now add some food coloring if you want.
We're doing yellow.
Like, keep the dogs in there. I mean, you just beat up Murphy.
No, 4 drops is good. We really think 4 drops is good. This is the red. This is. And then put the detergent. Okay. Next, gotta mix it together. Chopstick is the best. Okay, then it's gonna look like something kind of like this, kind of gross and weird. So next, you need to use your hands. And then soon you just meld it and stuff, like just squeeze it and then stretch it and fold it in half and stretch it, fold it in half. Just keep on mixing it and stuff until it gets like this. Remember what you're supposed to do. I made all 3 of them. But was this how it was in the first place? Yes. I'm telling you, I knew we were doing the same thing. Or whatever. The blue is my favorite. Here's the blue one. And the red one. And the green one. You gotta get all the bubbles out and stuff. And the black one. The black one I think needs a little bit more detergent. See it starting to form, like that. Now once it gets kind of like this, and it's still kind of sticky and lobby like, then I just like folding it, and then rolling it, and then folding it, and then squishing it. Just like squish it together till it forms. Your hands will get messy, but you can just clean it up. Cleaning up my hands. Try to make the black a little bit not as sticky. I'm gonna make the green bigger. As you can see, that's how you make slime. Gotta end the video early. As you can see, it's not slime, not sticky anymore or anything. Just like our balloons. Okay? So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe.